Hello there, I'm Mohammed Samgan Khan, a fellow software engineer in learning. In this video, we will be creating a Node server with Express.js. If you are unfamiliar with Node, I recommend that first you get your basics done. There are several tutorials and videos available for that. I will also add some recommendations in the description below. I already have Node installed on my system. What we are discussing today works on all versions of Node, but it's better to have as latest version as possible. Let's get started. We start by initializing a new npm project by using the command npm init-y. For those who are wondering why the -y, it is there to say yes to all the default options. After the execution of the command, a package.json file will be created in the root of our working directory. Once the project is initiated, we install Express using npm install. If we check our package.json, we will see two important things. First, in the dependencies section, Express has been added as a dependency. Second, the key main have index.js as the value, which means index.js is the entry point of this project. So we will create a new file called index.js in the root of this project. First thing after creating an index file is to create an Express app. Let's also define a port on which the server will run, say 3000. To create the server, all you must do now is to listen to this port and we will have our server. To start the server, we will update our package.json with a start script. To run the script, we will use npm run. And we have a running server at port 3000. If we check the browser, we will see that the server is running but is not able to get the base route, because we never created the base route. So let's create the base route now. If we refresh the browser, we will see that the file is updated, but the updates are not reflecting in the browser, as the server needs to be restarted after every change. But that's not ideal. To resolve this, we will use a utility called NodeMon. We'll go to our package.json to verify NodeMon has been added to our dependencies. And we will update our package.json start script with NodeMon. Now every time we make a change, the server will auto restart. And that's it. You have a Node server up and running. But this is in no shape or form is all. It's just bare minimum. A lot is to be done for making a real world Node.js application, which we will discuss in our other videos. Feel free to request a video on any specific topic or share your thoughts and views in the comment section. This is Mohammed Samgan Khan, a fellow software engineer in learning.